Hello everyone, today is a holiday in China, the Mid-Autumn Festival. May the round moon bring you a happy family and a successful future. In today's video, I want to show you a very simple but timeless design, which is the one I'm wearing. 4mm faceted Black Tourmaline and 18K yellow gold faceted bead. Isn't it beautiful? Let's do it. The materials we need are 4mm faceted Black Tourmaline, shiny, and the 18K yellow gold bead I just mentioned, and then 0.8 mm braided cord, and this one a very practical wrist gauge. And as usual, I will make it fit 6.5 inches wrist size. Since it's a drawstring bracelet, it is more suitable for various wrist sizes. We burn the cord to make the needle. Slowly and pull. Then the second one. Okay, and then we thread the gold bead first. We start this bracelet from the middle, and then we thread the Black Tourmaline beads on both sides. Let's pick the beads first. Okay, they are all good. Alright, let's check if it is 6.5 inches. Okay, here we need to braid a knot, so it's perfect. Okay, and then we tied a knot on each end. Okay. And start to braid a macrame square knot. I searched for a long time before I found the name of this knot in English. And I believe the macrame is French. Making this knot is pretty easy. You may practice more using a wider braided cord or maybe a rope, that would do. Okay. Always remember to leave it a little bit, don't cut it all, and then burn the cord, press, burn, and press. Last step, thread one tourmaline bead on each end of the cord. Okay, tie a knot. Okay. Cut. Cut. Burn. Burn. And it's done. And please note that the length of these two cords are determined according to your personal or your customer's needs. And the materials in the video are available in my store, DIYnotion.com. You can check the description down below. Okay, that's it for today's video. I wish you all a happy Mid-Autumn Festival again. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.